Welcome back, guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's recipe is inspired by one of our close friend Jipo Ramos' diet menu. Butter garlic chicken breast with sauteed asparagus and mashed potatoes. Let's start!
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think,
This is our friend's version of grilled chicken with asparagus and substituted quinoa for rice, and loses 13 kilograms for 2 months. Amazing! So the ingredients are chicken breast, margarine or butter, and 4 cloves of garlic cut halves, seasoned with salt and pepper. Heat the pan, olive oil in, and butters in. Then, once the butter is melted, you can put the chicken breast and the garlic. Season it with black pepper. Cook one side of the chicken for 3 to 5 minutes in a low-medium heat. Then, the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. So now, we'll wait for the chicken to become brownish. Just like this. Cook the remaining chicken breast, then once done, you can now set aside. Now, let's here 3 pieces of boiled potatoes mashed with whisker. Then, add 1/4 cup of hot milk and a tablespoon of melted margarine. Then use a hand mixer to make it more smooth and creamy.
Can you give
Once we acquire the desired texture, then it's now ready for plating. Add some chopped fresh parsley, then get a plate and start plating. Mashed potatoes at the bottom. Drizzle some melted margarine. Top with our cooked chicken breast. Lastly, sauteed asparagus at the side. There you have it, our homemade butter garlic chicken breast with sauteed asparagus and mashed potatoes. So tasty and heavenly delicious. Our healthy, balanced diet menu. Thanks for watching mga kajabagab. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye-bye!